Computer wall here at Stony Plain, we had a client bring in a laptop that was booting to the Windows 11 recovery screen in a boot loop. This is a continuation of that. So two things we were able to determine this far here. One, of course, it's not a problem with the RAM. We basically already knew that. We booted to a operating system here. No problem, whether it's light or not. That usually tells you if the RAM is working right off the bat. And as we can see here, the solid state drive is intact, which is good news. Which means it's just a logical error and we just need to either fix the Windows or reinstall it. One of the two.